Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. So today, as you know that we already started this the chapter number 2 from your chemistry textbook, and that is about the basic ideas, or you can say that little bit about the basic information of definitions like here symbols. If you remember, last time we talked about the symbols. So what are symbols? We know very well symbols are the representations. Okay, so representation in which we're going to represent the things like here in front of you, you have an atom like this hydrogen. So instead of writing the complete name of hydrogen, you just write capital H. Okay, so that's going to represent, that is the H hydrogen. It is its symbol. If you're going to write about the here, yes, Mr. Ahmad Mazhar. Yes, my dear. Why you raise your hand? Yes, you can please unmute your mic. Yes, Mr. Ahmad. What happened?
Sir,
Yes.
I can't write this in the notebook and send to you.
Sorry.
I can't write this in copybook or notebook and send to you.
No need to write this. No, my dear. It's only for understanding. Okay. No need to send anything here. It's everything is present on your book. So you no need to send this. Okay. After understanding the symbol, so you know very well that going to represent or you can say that the name of the elements or the atoms. Yes, Ahmad, with you. Why you raise your hand? Yes, Ahmad Ali.
Sir, I have to buy the book.
Yes, sure, you need to buy the book. Still you didn't buy the book.
No, the chemistry book only. Chemistry, French, and computer.
Please, my dear, you need to buy the book.
Today
Okay?
I will buy it.
From the school, from the bookstore.
Okay.
All books are available. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much. So this symbol means that going to represent some atoms with a shorthand. Instead of writing the complete name of that element of any atom, you just write its symbol, and a person who know chemistry and who know about them, he said this is the symbol of hydrogen. If you write simple like capital H, he said that is hydrogen. If you write H, capital, and E, what he said? He said that is helium. Or if you're going to write Ne, that's the symbol of neon. For oxygen, you need to write capital O. So these are the symbols. So hope understand till here, my dear students. If you have any question, please raise your hand. Otherwise, type no. Then I'm going to move towards the today's topic. Everyone, please. Okay, thank you, Ayad, Umar, Ali. Well done, very nice. Okay, Ali Azab, well done. Okay, now for today's topic, you need to open textbook page number 21. Here we're going to discuss about molecules. What are molecules or how they form? Today we're going to discuss about them. So please, my dear students, be careful. That is very important part of this lesson, of this chapter, and that will help you understand to know about different molecules and different formulas and different chemical compounds. Atoms are neutral building blocks. When atoms are joined together, chemical bond, they make molecule. For example, you can see here, this is the symbol of hydrogen. That is also another atom of hydrogen. When they join together biochemically, how they join? How? Very good. Chemically, when they join. So this is a hydrogen molecule. This is simple hydrogen atom. Okay. When you're going to write like this H2, so this is the molecule of hydrogen. Understand? So you can see here, she building a DNA molecule like this. You know very well. This is a DNA molecule in which different atoms or molecule join together and form a structure of DNA molecule. Molecules are group of two or more atoms. Okay, don't think that only 2 atoms join. Here you can see that more than 2 atoms are also joined. So molecules are group of 2 or more atoms bonded together. How they bond? Chemically. How they bond? Chemically. Understand? Now after this, I'm going to take you on the screen. So the students, please everyone need to open this link. Here you can see that the definition of a molecule. Molecules are group of 2 or more atoms bonded. Okay, my dear students, till here, if you have any question, please raise your hand. Otherwise, type no in the chat. Everyone quickly. Hurry up. Okay, that's good. Excellent. Very good. Everyone, I just received only 5 answers or 5 hands that are raised. I want from everyone. Okay, so here, okay, thank you very much. Thanks, my dear. Now, here you can see the other examples like here. First one is in front of you, the molecule of oxygen that is in front of you. How that is formed? 2 atoms of oxygen, they join and form O2 molecule. The next formula is methane, CH4. 1 carbon atom, it's make a bond with 4 different hydrogen atoms, and you're going to write like this, CH4. Okay, that the next formula is caffeine, and then the last one is DNA. So everyone, I think, understand? Yes, that's great. Excellent, my dear. Okay, after understanding the examples of molecules and know about this, we're going to move to see the molecule may consist of 2 atoms of the same element or many different or other atoms from different elements. For example, here you can see that in oxygen, they have same atoms and they form oxygen. Many atoms of different elements like in methane, like in caffeine, and like in DNA. So a molecule is an electrically neutral group of 2 or more atoms held together by a chemical bond. So till here, my dear student, if you have any question, please raise your hand. Otherwise, type no in the chat. Okay, that's great. Excellent, Waleed. Thank you very much, Salah. Muhammad Nabil, thank you very much, my dear. Ayat, Salah, that's great. Well done, very nice. Okay, now let's see what is a chemical formula. Okay, so that you need to open your textbook page number 21. So here we're going to discuss this in detail. So let's see about the chemical formula. What is it? Now, chemists use a kind of shorthand. What is mean? They're not going to write the complete name of an atom like hydrogen, H, Y, D, like this. No, they just write capital H. Okay, to describe a molecule. It is called chemical formula. During this name, or we call it as chemical formula. Can you guess the most well-known chemical formula in the world? That is H2O. What it means? H2O. H for hydrogen and O for oxygen. H for hydrogen and O for oxygen. A molecule. So what is this thing? That is the chemical formula of water. Understand, my dear? Okay. Lots of people know the formula, but many no idea what it's mean. Obviously, the people or someone who know about chemicals, who know about symbols, who know about their representation, or who read about chemistry, they know that that is the formula of water. But a person who don't know about science or about elements or about symbols and their representation, he don't know that is the chemical formula of water. The formula tells us which atoms are in the molecule by looking at the symbols. Okay, when you're going to see at the symbols, you can say that, yeah, that is your hydrogen and this one is your oxygen, because when you're going to represent these two elements, you represent them with capital H and capital O. For example, you can come back on page number 20 and you can see here in this chart that is in front of you now. So here in front of you, the hydrogen, capital H, and for oxygen, that is capital O. These are the symbols of these two elements. So we easily understand about them. Now let's go back to our topic on page number 21. Okay, so what is here? We're just going to discuss. The formula tells us which elements are in the molecule by looking at the symbol. It also tells us how many of each atom there are by small numbers after each symbol. What it means? When you're going to write the formula H2O, you can easily read the numbers here. This 2 means you have 2 atoms of hydrogen. Nothing with oxygen, it means 1. Okay, so this chemical formula, it's not only to tell us about the atoms, but also the number of atoms. Okay, how many numbers of atoms are used during the formation of this molecule or this chemical formula. So till here, my dear students, if you have any question, please raise your hand, otherwise type no in the chat. Everyone quickly, hurry up. Okay, that's great, excellent. Well done, my dear. Okay, good. Thank you very much. Okay, after this, notice that if there is no number after a symbol, it means there is just one of those atoms in the molecule, like here in oxygen. So you can see this, the water molecule, like this. This is first hydrogen, that is second hydrogen. They make bond, chemical bond with oxygen, and you can get H2O. That is the chemical formula of water. So this is a molecule that is in front of you. Okay, so look at the molecule of water opposite. It is made from 2 hydrogen atoms and just 1 oxygen atom. Okay, we know very well. How we know that? Because you can see here 2 after the H. It means 2 hydrogen atoms, and nothing after O, mean to say oxygen, only 1 atom of oxygen. Now let's see a few examples of different molecules here on page number 21 that are in front of you. First, nitrogen, N2. So what it means? During the formation of nitrogen molecule, 2 nitrogen atoms make a chemical bond and they join together. Now, during the formation of ammonia, NH3, 1 nitrogen make bond with 3 hydrogen atoms like this. So that is the chemical formula of ammonia, NH3. Till here, my dear students, if you have any question, you can raise your hand, otherwise type no in the chat. Everyone quickly, hurry up. Okay, well done, very nice, excellent. Thank you very much. That's good, great. Okay, so then the next example in front of you is hydrogen chloride or HCl. We know that this is the chemical formula of hydrochloric acid named as HCl, in which 1 hydrogen and 1 chlorine join together and make this HCl molecule. Now, can you tell me how many atoms of chlorine join here in this formula? Please, everyone, in the chat? Okay, well done. Very nice. Excellent. Any more? Good. Your answer is correct. Well done. Okay. Very nice. How many atoms join in this? Because this 2 is mentioned here. So during the formation of chlorine, you know that 2 atoms of chlorine join together and make a molecule of chlorine. That's good. Excellent, my dear student. So till here, if you have any question, please raise your hand. Otherwise, type no. Everyone, please quickly. Okay.